Hello all. Children, we are going to continue with exercise 12.3 of chapter 12 factorization. Okay? We were solving question number 5. Okay? So coming to the third part, we have to factorize this given expression and we have to divide by p minus 1. First we are going to factorize it, then we have to divide it by p minus 1. So let's see how to do. So children, 5p square, I am going to factorize by splitting the middle term. I am going to split this middle term. So children, minus 25p can be written as minus 5p minus 20py, because minus plus, so minus 5p minus 20p will be minus 25. Okay, then here 20 can be written as 20 or you can keep 20 as it is. Okay, divided by p minus 1, so it will be easier for us to divide. Okay, so now let's see, we have got this 4 terms. Now we can make 2 pairs, this one and this one. Okay children, so here in the first term we can see 5p square is there, and in the second it is 5p. So at least 5p can be taken as common and we are left with p, because 1p is being taken as common, p minus, and 5p is taken as common, so here we are left with 1. Okay, now children, in this 20 is there and 20 here in this last term we can see 20 as well. So I am going to take 20 minus 20 as common, so we are left with this p and this minus plus, so here minus sign will come and we are left with p minus 1 divided by p minus 1. Okay, now you can see that whatever common terms we have got in the first pair, in the second pair also we have to get the same. So p minus 1 can be taken as common and here we are left with 5p minus 20. Now we have to divide this expression, as the factorization is over. Now we have to divide by p minus 1. Okay, now see children, this p minus 1 and this p minus 1 will get cancelled. Okay, now we can further simplify this expression. 5p minus 20, we can write 20 as 5 into 4. So we can take 5 common from both the terms and we are left with p minus 4. Okay, so this is the solution to this question. Okay, coming to the fourth part, we have to factorize first this expression 4yz in bracket z square plus 6z minus 16, and it is divided by 2yz plus 8. So first we have to factorize this expression. Okay, let's see how to do it. So it is 4yz. See children, 6z can be written as 8z minus 2z. Okay, because 8 minus 2 is your 6z. Okay, then minus 16 divided by 2y z plus 8. Okay, now 4yz, here we have got 4 terms. Okay, this 2 will make pair, 1 pair, and now this 2 terms we will make 1 pair. So children, you can see that here z square is there and here 1z is there, so at least 1z can be taken as common and we are left with z plus 8. Okay, similarly here 16 can be written as 2 into 8. Okay, so we can take minus, because here also minus sign is there, here also minus sign is there, so we can take minus 2 as common and then we are left with z plus 8. Okay, divided by 2y z plus 8. Now you can see that z plus 8 is here also and z plus 8 is common here in the second pair also. So we can take this z plus 8 as common and we are left with z minus 2. Okay, so we have factorized this given expression. Now we have to divide with 2yz plus 8. So we are going to divide with 2yz plus 8. Okay, now this z plus 8 and z plus 8 will get cancelled. Okay, and here 1y, this y will get cancelled, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so we are left with 2z in bracket z minus 2. So this is the way we have to, first we have to factorize the given expression, we have to simplify it, and then we have to divide. Okay, children, coming to the fifth part, we have to first simplify, or we have to factorize the given expression, then we have to divide it with 2p, p plus q. So let's see how to do pq. It is p square minus q square, okay, divided by 2p, p plus q. Children, we can here use the identity, the third identity, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Okay, comparing our this expression p square minus q square, we can write it as p plus q, p minus q. Okay, so we can expand it like this, then it is 5pq. So in place of p square minus q, we will write its expanded form, p plus q minus q, or upon 2p, or you can say we have to apply the identity a square minus b square, that gives a plus b, a minus b. Now this p plus q, this p plus q get cancelled. Okay, so and this p will get cancelled. So we are left with 5q p minus q upon 2. Okay, or you can write 5 upon 2 q p minus q. So this is the solution to this question. So children, if you are fine with the explanation and you are following my explanation, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.